Does this sound familiar? You started your restoration business because you saw an opportunity to help people in their worst moments, to build something real, maybe to give your family a better life. You worked long hours, weekends and holidays, did the estimating, the billing, the marketing, and the collections. You may have felt alone, like nobody really understood the pressure of keeping your customers happy.
Chasing outstanding checks and staying compliant with every new regulation. All the while, carriers kept finding new ways to squeeze your estimates.
So maybe you joined a peer group and you went to a few conferences, but the advice felt generic, surface level. Nobody had skin in the game, and nobody cared as much as you did. Then at some point you realized you couldn't run on adrenaline forever. You started thinking about systems or leadership. Maybe even if you could step back from operations one day, you wanted to stop reacting and start building. So you got curious about hiring smarter and using data, expanding your digital marketing, building something that didn't burn you out. But not just tools or consultants, you wanted community.
People who get it. People with skin in the game. People who aren't just growing to grow, but building for sustainability.
Well, that's why we created Peak Alliance. Peak is a community of restoration owners, united against real threats in our industry.
Private equity, insurance carriers, technology, loneliness and fatigue.
This is not a superficial group where you pay for generic advice. Peak is a community that is battle tested for each other. And we exist with one mission, to keep family business in the family. Our values are simple.
Career fulfillment for you. Families that become friends.
Employees that are inspired by their job.
Companies that are heroes in their local community. But more than anything, Peak Alliance is about living a better life.
Peak isn't about putting your business in cruise control or being told what to do or how to do it. Peak certainly doesn't have the magic bullet or the secret sauce. And most importantly, Peak certainly isn't a retirement home.
Peak is for the modern restorer, the ones willing to do the work but not alone. It's for surrounding yourself with other high-performing owners. Real, driven, down-to-earth people.
If you believe that success comes from community and cooperation, then Peak Alliance may be for you. Reach out and I'd be excited to introduce you to some of our members.